Good afternoon, everybody. It's another IWP training video, and I am going to this time talk about group type blogs. Now, the blog group type overview is this. Blogs are a specific group type in IWP, which includes subscription functionality. So, in a blog group, you can add members with specific roles. For example, a group editor or a group admin. Now, posts and organize the content such as articles, and what they do is they manage subscribers. For more details on managing user rules within a group, please refer to the user permissions document, which you can find in another article on our IWP training. To establish a new blog, please follow the instructions of an IWP requesting a site or a blog job aid. So, what is in each section? So for the first section, it's blog group sections. So what we're going to do is we're going to follow right over here. So first thing is the blog name or its title. And I picked Heather's Updates. And we've talked about custom slugs before, which is right here. We narrowed it down to Heather's blog. So the names, of course, it's required. The title of the blog group, which is used to generate the page's URL, and it displays in the site navigation and its breadcrumbs. This is generated upon the creation of the blog. If we scroll down a little bit farther, we can see the primary image. Now, it allows users to upload one image that will appear prominently at the top of the page. It's usually full width and enhances the visual appeal of the content. This image will also be used in teaser locations, on social media shares where it's applicable. Now, this isn't anything academic or anything like that. I've talked about before that I'm a big fan of D&D, and these are just for fun, so I've picked D&D dice. Scroll down a little bit farther, and we're going to get into the description. Now, the description is an editor where you can describe the purpose of the blog group and provide an overview of the content. So rich text formatting options allow you to add lists, links, and images to enhance the description. As you can see, I just wrote describe the purpose of the blog group and provide an overview of the content. Go down a little bit farther, and we get into the group title icon. Now, what this does is allows you to add a custom icon for the blog group, which appears alongside the blog's title. And again, mine's just a little D&D dice to talk about, what we're doing right here, which is just something for fun. Go down a little bit farther. Now, this is something you can toggle on or toggle off, and it's whether this blog will be published or not. Now, this allows the group admin to publish the blog group or keep it hidden from public view. This can be adjusted as needed depending on the group's status. And we've talked about tagging systems before, and this is what's right along here. These are drop-down menus. This one's for tagging for counties: Alameda, Alpine, Butte. You can tag if you want for your counties. You don't have to. It's all whatever you guys need for your blogs. You don't have to put any tags if you don't want to. Topics can include like farm management, crop production. What tagging allows is for a user to tag content for easier discoverability and categorization. This is used to populate related sites. Okay, so we're going to scroll down, and we are going to save this so I can show you what it's going to look like. So as you can see, it's Heather's Updates, and we have the little image that we saved up top, not the primary image, the group title icon. And this is where the primary image would be. Next thing that we're going to get into is we're going to add, edit, and the articles for the blog. So as a group admin or group editor, you can add new content to the blog, either by creating a new article or adding existing articles. So for more information on the article content type, you can refer to the article content type training document, which I've actually covered in another video. So how do you add content? Blog posts are represented by the article content type in IWP. So how we're going to do this is we're just going to follow the steps. So we log into IWP, into my account, so we're already there. And we're going to navigate to the blog group and click on the content tab. So click on this, give it a second. And I've already added an article, so we don't have to add the new content, but you would click on this, and then after you did that, we would click on article as the content type. And you would follow the article content creation. So I've already clicked on that and added this. This is in a non-unpublished archived state. I'm going to teach you guys how to upload it into a published state. So we would go into edit. And of course, what you have to do is follow the regular steps that you would do for an article. We have a title, we have a custom slug, we have an article body right here for the edit, the summary. We have everything that we need. But as I described in another content IWP training video, how do we get it from the edited non-content state where it's not published into published? You have to click over here to show the sidebar panel and change it from draft to published. After we click on that, you would hit save, wait for it to adjust, and see, it is now sharing media has been updated, and it is now a published article in my blog. All right, thank you very much. This is another video that I've created for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you next time.